सिद्धार्थ
राइफल की सलामी से झलकती है हमारी एकता और अनुशासन। हर कदम पर बस देश के प्रति समर्पण।
The cadets execute a unique and synchronized rifle salute demonstrating precision and respect. The cadets perform a precise and dignified rifle salute, showcasing their respect and honor for the national flag.
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा।
Never let us forget, never let us be shy. Let's make the flag of the nation fly high. The cadets create a breathtaking tricolor formation, embodying the spirit of Indian flag with seamless charge. At the center, the commander gracefully twirls the rifle, symbolizing the Ashoka Chakra, a tribute of unity, progress, and nation's timeless values.
तैयार हो जाइए, क्योंकि अब हम देखने जा रहे हैं सबसे जोशपूर्ण और ऊर्जा से भरपूर निर्माण, जो आपके दिलों को देशभक्ति का खून से दौड़ा देगा।
Prepare yourselves for the most dynamic and exhilarating segment yet, an extraordinary display of energy and unmatched skill that promises to leave an unforgettable impression.
As the contingent marches onto the ground, notice the immaculate formation, the synchronized steps, and the perfect alignment.
Dawa position is a low crouch stance used by the soldiers to stay hidden and action. Nikal. Stabbing motion in the Dawa position refers to a quick decisive thrust typically with a weapon. Mar and Card refers to delivering a precise strike or shot, while Card involves making a swift control movement to neutralize an opponent or obstacle.
अक्षय जाओ करो अनुपम मग
If you missed it earlier, watch closely as it demonstrates the attacking position once again. Every move is calculated. Each step is deliberate. This is the hallmark of a rifle contingent, a testament to their unwavering discipline and unity.
Like a circle formation, there is strength in unity. Every point is connected to other, and only then we can achieve extraordinary results. Marching in a straight line may be challenging, but marching in a circle requires even more accuracy and coordination. Despite the complexity, the cadets demonstrate flawless discipline as they move unified in a circular formation. rises to water it emerges, in sunlight it blossoms. In perfect unison, the cadets form a magic crystal lotus, embodying the spirit of elegance and determination.
कीचड़ से उभरता है, पानी से निकलता है, सूरज की किरणों से खिलता है। ठीक वैसे ही हमारे कैडेट्स हर मौसम की कठिनाइयों से बावजूद कठिन परिस्थितियों में मजबूती से डटे रहते हैं और देश की सेवा में अपने कर्तव्य को निभाते हैं।
Now, the cadets form the prestigious NCC logo. As you can see, there are 17 cadets representing the 17 directorates.
Watch as they execute the rifle movements with incredible precision. From shoulder, arms to representing arms, every movement is a blend of strength and grace.
Now, the cadets skillfully form a chess piece symbolizing strategy and intellect dedicated to remarkable chess prodigy Domaraju Gukesh, who became world's youngest chess champion at the age of 18, holding the title as the 18th world chess champion.
The rhythmic sound of their marching echoes a spirit of patriotism, reminding us of the dedication of our armed forces who stand guard to ensure our safety and sovereignty.